Hello and welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we explain the different features of our website so that you get the most from your time with us. If you are serious about improving your English and advancing your career, stick with us. First, let's take a look at our expressions database. In our expressions database, you will find a wide range of popular idioms, phrases and sayings that we think you will find useful, not only in your everyday life, but also in different situations in the workplace. As you can see, our search and filter functions allow you to search directly for keywords, touch base, or filter lists of expressions based on their popularity, whether in a social or a professional context. You can also search according to the categories and contexts where you are likely to hear them, such as networking, in an interview, or meetings. Let's look at an individual entry, hung out to dry. Some expressions have more than one meaning. For this entry, hung out to dry, we have entered two. You can see the first meaning here and the second one below. For each meaning, you will see popularity levels with social and professional contexts. The analysis explores the expression in more detail and gives some more information about how to use it. Example sentences are there for social and professional situations, and our How to Memorize field is also what you see before you click into each entry. Miscellaneous expressions. Our miscellaneous expressions area is another great way to expand your vocabulary. It features collocations, comparisons, and expressions arranged by theme. Let's look at a collocations page. Collocations with Drive. Here you can find a list of collocations. They're words associated in English to form popular expressions. You will see meanings and examples to help you understand them. In our comparisons page, we look at words that are often mistaken or confused with each other, such as lie or lay. Our themed expressions pages offer helpful lists of phrases and expressions for you to use in specific situations, whether in your social life or in the workplace. Comics. Our original custom-made comics are a unique way of learning English and expanding vocabulary. Our characters explain aspects of English grammar. Others tell a story of their journey learning English or advancing in their careers, or dealing with specific situations in the workplace, such as a performance review. A unique feature of these comics is how the text is linked to our expressions database. Whenever an expression is linked, you will see it highlighted in blue, running smoothly, and the words View Expressions under the panel in which it is featured. When you click on the expression you want to learn about, you will be brought to the corresponding entry in the expressions database. Now click back and you will return to the comic. Videos. We are building a video dictionary of helpful idioms, phrasal verbs, collocations, and more. You will find all of this under the Expressions option. Put out. When you are finished watching the video, you can check out our detailed analysis of the subject, where we will continue to add more helpful examples. We also have a variety of videos dealing with important aspects of English grammar, as well as interviews with other learners of English. Grammar. Our grammar section features pages on tenses articles, prepositions, and other important aspects of English grammar. Let's take a look at the tenses pages. Present perfect. Our logical approach to learning tenses is presented with mind maps, timelines, and explanations and examples to help you understand how to choose the correct tense. In our write-ups section, you will find articles about learning English and workplace performance. We have write-ups on job interviews, advising you not only what to do, but also what to say in specific scenarios and in response to specific questions. There are short advice pieces to help you perform well in the workplace and possibly help you move up the professional ladder. Like our comics, our write-ups feature words and expressions highlighted in blue. Click on them to visit their entry in our ever-expanding expressions database. We hope you enjoy EnglishLogica, and we look forward to helping you with your English and career journey.